Hi, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be trying to fix this Xbox One S motherboard that I picked up from eBay. It has the word glitchy written here and it's also missing the retimer from here. The eBay listing just said that it gave a glitchy picture, so I'm hoping that it is just going to be the retimer. I have powered it up and it does turn on, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace this. But before I switch off to the microscope, I just want to say thank you so much to Statistics Fix. He's honestly one of the inspirations for this channel, and he commented and he subscribed, and it's just an honor. So I'm just after replying to him there, and I'm a bit nervous, so if my hands are a bit shaky while doing the retimer, take no notice. But thank you so much, Statistics Fix. It's honestly unbelievable that you even just recognised my channel. Thank you so much. Okay, so I got the console back together enough to test. I got the fan connected, the daughterboard connected, a hard drive and the front board and the HDMI. So what I'm going to do is check if it still powers on first, and it does. So I'm just going to check if we do get a display. And yes, we do. So we get an E105 error. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect the USB and perform an offline update, and I'm going to go through this update just to see if we can get 4K and 1080p and all that. I'll fast forward through this and I'll see you at the end. I just have to say too, there is no glitchy picture at the moment, so hopefully that was just the retimer that was causing that issue, and hopefully this is going to be a fully fixed console. Okay, so at this point there was some bad news. I don't know if you could see it, but some of the letters were actually glitching the whole time, and it doesn't actually come across on the capture card, but on the top right hand side there is red dots and there is slight artifacting going on there as well, and it gets worse after I install a game. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip back to the other camera and just show you exactly what happens when I try to play a game. Okay, I've done all the file guys just to show you what it's doing, and if I just click into it here, I'll just let you see what the console actually does. There is thermal paste on it already, so thermal paste isn't an issue here. And as you can see now, it's starting to ramp up. And when you go to click the button, it just cuts off. So yeah, unfortunately that's going to be an issue with the APU, I think. On a closer inspection of the board as well, I have actually found flux around some of the RAM chips here. So I don't think this is fixable, unfortunately. That's just the way it goes sometimes when you buy from eBay. But it was missing the retimer, so I presume before I got it, the seller probably put a new retimer on it, realised that it wasn't a retimer and took it off and kept it because they knew they had a good retimer. But like I said, that's just the joys of buying on eBay sometimes. I don't think this is fixable. I think that is definitely an issue with the APU. Like I said, I have put thermal paste on it. It's nothing to do with that. Every single time I try to start the game, it just doesn't work. So unfortunately this is a no fix, but I hope you still enjoyed it, and I hope I see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.